Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Ms. Espinosa, and today I am going to be walking you through a very quick tutorial on how to create your own cover sheet along with a credit sheet for any type of product that you want. And I will be using this product of mine as an example. I actually already posted this as a free download on my Teachers Pay Teachers store. So I will link it down below. Let's go ahead and jump into this one. I like to keep my cover sheet and my credit sheet pretty simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a blank sheet, erase the boxes. And as I've mentioned, I always like to have a border first. So since I already have a border on this, I copied and pasted it. Next, I'm going to create a text box for my title. I really like this one, APL Real Talk. This is a font that I paid for. Make the font larger. And I do want this font to be cute, so I'm going to go to Shape Format and I'm going to outline it. The text outline will be black. I do want my title to be like pastel rainbow colors, so I'm going to fill each letter shape with a different color. Highlight, text fill. I want a pink. I'm going to leave that orange. I want a yellow. So I want to draw attention to the fact that these are free checklists. I want that to be the first thing that people read. The next thing that I do is copy my slide. And I paste it as a picture. Next, I'm going to describe these products a little bit more. These are really going to help with classroom prep at the beginning of the school year. I'm going to use a cute cursive font called APL Heart Eyes. Center my text. Next, I added some arrows just to draw attention to the checklist. You can do that by going over to Insert, Icons, and type in arrows. So as you can see, that almost looks identical to the original that I created. So that's the cover sheet. Now this is my credit sheet. I like to keep it really simple. I like to thank people for downloading any of my products from my Teachers Pay Teachers store. That's the only place that I post my products to. And these are my terms of use. I looked through other Teachers Pay Teachers products and got an idea of things that they include. So this is what I came up with. So anytime I create a new product, I just go ahead and copy and paste the slide into my new product, and then I just credit the right people for that product. And when you are crediting people, make sure that you link back to their Teachers Pay Teachers store. One of the fonts that I used was from Graphics from the Pond, and other fonts were from APL fonts. So as you can see, I already linked back to the Teachers Pay Teachers store. So normally when you download any products, it will also include that seller's logo. Let me show you an example. So for the APL fonts, you would just drag it. You can resize it. Here is APL fonts. Copy. Make sure you select the right picture. Insert. Link. And now it will link back to their Teacher Pay Teacher store. So if you were using any clip art, again, you would use that seller's logo and link back to their store. This is just a text box. I wrote, "Thank you for downloading this item from my Teachers Pay Teacher store," and I linked my store. This is also just a text box, and I put the pictures inside of it. I'm going to delete this one. But that's really it for this tutorial. It's pretty simple to create your own credit page. I would advise you to just keep it simple. So you are welcome to look through other Teachers Pay teacher stores and look at how they do their covers. I always copy and paste my actual slides so that they are previewed in the cover. And I more or less have a style. When I first started, I liked to have the black backdrop, but now I've been doing just a white backdrop. But that is all that I have for you, friends. I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what other types of tutorials you'd like to see, and I'll see you in the next one.